Back at it with another local nursery. So this is one of my favorite local nurseries. And I will drop the name of the nursery and the location in the description below. So of course, you know I like mango trees, and they have all type of mango trees, different prices. This is a very organized local nursery. They have a huge selection of tropical fruits. I like the way they all lined up in a row. You know, each fruit in their own place. They also give you military discounts here and discounts for firefighters and police and veterans. Thank you for joining me on this tour. So we'll just take a little look around. These are some of the bigger mango trees over here. They have different shapes and sizes, different price ranges. These are more the bigger mango trees, and they have some cheaper versions depending on what you're looking at. We also come here, they have different citrus fruits and just a whole bunch of different, a couple of floral. You have some spice plants. So yes, I got a good variety of fruit trees from this nursery right here. And as you can see, it's very neatly lined up and organized. The video will be a little shaky because it had a lot of mosquitoes around, so I'm swatting mosquitoes as I'm recording. Sometimes when I come to this nursery, I'm not looking for any particular mango. It's whichever tree really catches my eye that I haven't purchased yet. You really get some good deals on a lot of these trees around springtime. You know, March, April, May, you really see even a bigger purchase than what you see right now. This nursery also has a website with an inventory list of the type of trees that they have. The inventory list is upgraded every now and then, so you'll probably want to check the inventory list before you come down. And this is located in Central Florida also. You get some good deals. The more trees you get, you usually get a better deal. And like I said, this is one of my favorite nurseries. Look at that Java Jakarta right there. And wow, those big grapefruits, I think they call palmettos. I'm probably not pronouncing it right, but you get the picture, the big gigantic grapefruits. They are huge. And that's a lot of their citrus in this area right here. If you like any of this video content that I'm bringing to you, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, notify. I would really appreciate that. Anytime I go to nurseries, of course, husband takes the trip with me because I would need him to carry any of these large trees if we purchase any. or any tree at all for that matter. Here come some of the spice trees. And I got one of these trees right here, the cocoa tree. We got some little miracle trees right here. That's that miracle fruit. Nice fig trees in this area. And you have some of the smaller mango trees in this area. And these mango trees are grafted. Some of them are dwarf, semi-dwarf. So like I said, they have different price selections for different budgets. And basically just wanted to take you on this tour with me as I'm bringing you local nursery locations for fruit trees and tropical fruits. If you want any info, go ahead and hit the comments down below. And thank you for coming with me to this tour once again. I love going on these fruit tree tours. Have a nice day. Goodbye.